Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a wallpaper in Android smartphone. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So guys, in order to set up a wallpaper in your Android smartphone, first of all, you have to go to the settings. And after that guys, you will see an option wallpaper and style. If you scroll down, you have to click on this option here. So guys, here you will see an option browse my wallpapers. You have to click on this option guys, and here you will see a bunch of options: featured, gallery, graphical, and you will also find some colored options here. So guys, first of all, if you go to the featured options, you will see a lot of different wallpapers that you can set for your home screen or lock screen. And here guys, in the graphical option, you will choose more wallpapers, and in the colors option, you can choose different colors for your wallpaper. So guys, what I have to do here is I am going to tell you how to set up a simple wallpaper. You can also select the wallpaper from your gallery. If you have saved some images in your smartphone, you can also use that as your wallpaper. I will show you how to do that later in this video. But first of all, I have to show you how to set up a simple wallpaper. For example, here I'm going for this graphical wallpaper, and here I'm selecting this simple one, the first wallpaper here. You can either set this wallpaper for both of your lock screen as well as the home screen, or you can only set up this wallpaper for your home screen or your lock screen. For example, here for this example, I am going to set it for my both lock screen as well as the home screen. So what I have to do is I have to click on this preview option here. Click on this, and here guys, you will see an option here. You can preview your wallpaper, and after you do that, you have to click on this done option here. Click on that, and here guys, you can see that I have set up a wallpaper in my home screen. So now guys, I want to set up a wallpaper, but I want to set it from my gallery, in which I have saved some of the images from my wallpaper. So what I have to do is I have to again go to settings, and again I have to go to this wallpaper and style option. And then again you have to choose your browse and wallpapers. And here I'm going to the gallery, and I'm going to select some images from my wallpaper. I will go to pictures here. And for example guys, I want to set up this picture as a wallpaper. So how can I do that? First of all, you have to select this picture, and after that you have to click on this done option here. And if you click on this done option, you will again see an option of setting it as a lock screen and as the home screen. I don't want to set it as my lock screen, so I will go for this only home screen and click on preview. So after you click on preview, you have to click on this done option here. And here guys, you will see in my home screen, I have set up this new wallpaper. It looks so cool and beautiful. Not only that, I have set a different wallpaper for my lock screen. So guys, here you can see this is my wallpaper for the whole lock screen, and this is my wallpaper for the home screen. So I have different wallpapers for both my lock screen and home screen. So in this way guys, you can set up a wallpaper in Android smartphone. And please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of future videos. So thank you for watching.